Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe at the red button below or on the bottom right hand corner of this video. Today we continue our Terrace Room Experience series. Today's video we're going to look at the Terrace Studio Fountain View. And here you see the fountain, which you get the view of. But we really would like for you to, get the sense of what these rooms are. That's why we're doing individual videos. So we hope you enjoy them and we hope you can appreciate sort of the specified look into the rooms. One thing I will say about Cosmopolitan, like we've been saying, is Cosmopolitan is certainly one of the most convenient hotels on the strip because you are right in the thick of the action. You're right in the middle of the strip. It's kind of the dividing line of the main strip. So it's right in between Aria and Bellagio, across from the Planet Hollywood. So lots of great places to go other than the great place that is already the Cosmopolitan. So here we are entering the room. You can see the bathroom is on the right as you go in. And this, again, is back to the general layout, which is the living space is up front. And you'll notice with the Terrace Studio, they have a lot of living space. And they actually divide it a little bit with a half wall between the living space and the sleeping space. So that is sort of what to look out for this particular room. It doesn't close like in the Terrace one-bedroom fountain view, but it does actually separate. So you still get a little bit of separation, and this living space is actually a little bit bigger, I think, than the other living space that you're going to find, certainly in the two-bedroom and also in the one-bedroom fountain view. Now, this is also 620 square feet, and again, you're seeing the living space that you have available: a big couch, coffee table, some chairs, some lighting, and of course a big screen television in the living space. And then we will get to the bathroom and then to the sleeping space. But take a look, it's a pretty spacious living space. see the bathroom design is very similar to the other terrace rooms, very spacious, great shower, like I've raved about before. The water pressure is great. I do love the tiles actually and the spaciousness of the shower itself. We do get his and her sinks, as you can see. You even get artwork in the loo, which is kind of cool and kind of funny, but it's very cool actually, honestly. So Cosmo has its own sense of style for sure. But again, one thing about you saw sort of the closets and the amenities that come with it, ironing board, iron, hair dryers. Again, almost all of the amenities that you would expect from a really great hotel are on display in all of the terrace rooms. So don't be worried about that if that is a concern. And again, here, you can see, showing the design of the bathrooms, which again, all of them are roughly the same design with this his and her sink going for it, and all those same amenities with this particular style of room, the terrace rooms, all the terrace rooms, and they all have this big garden tub, which is always really relaxing to spend time in if you get the chance. So here's another look again at the living space. You see again, I think it's probably the biggest of these terrace rooms, the living space itself. That couch appears to be a lot bigger than some of the other rooms that we've already shown. And they've got a little more seating actually as well. But a big king bed again, separated with this half wall. So not that sliding door that gives you that extra privacy. And of course not, you don't get the Japanese tub in this room, but it is spacious. So this room is fairly spacious. And of course the bed right next to the sliding glass doors, which leads to one of the great features of Cosmopolitan, which are the balconies, especially if you get the balcony that overlooks the fountain view. But you can see all the balconies are really designed for having a party almost, because you get a large couch. You also get coffee tables and chairs, and overlooks the fountain of Bellagio. And depending on how high you are, you can hear the music sometimes, and sometimes you can't hear the music. But at the same time, you can put on alternate music in the room if you like, in order to make up for it if you are not able to hear those music from the Bellagio fountain show. But did you see? Very nice balcony. That's one of the things when we first stayed in Cosmo, we really were surprised at how awesome the balconies are, and almost all the rooms have awesome balconies. But here again, taking a look at the strip view from the fountain view side of Cosmopolitan. Beautiful view. This is at dusk. Just at dusk, which the city starts to really light up at that point. And here's at night, of course, where you get a really breathtaking view of this side of the city when you're on the fountain view side. So, and of course, that wonderful fountain show. We hope you've enjoyed this look at the terrace rooms and it helps you in your decisions. Please comment and like this video. It really helps a lot. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Media Cafe Travel.